Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Wesson now. Girl, who you testing? Fuck is catching, here's your lesson now. Knife and intestine, taking shots with all your brethren now. Feel like I'm dead, man. Feel like I'm fucking planning. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know when you call, make me feel right. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know who you call, make me feel right. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know when you call, make me feel right. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know when you call, make me feel right. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my.
I just remembered something. I think I left the faucet running. Mama with the feeling hopping up. Calling you just soaking in it, but I know you'll get out the minute you notice all your fingers burning up. I'm tired of being careful, tiptoe, trying to keep the water warm. Let me under your skin. Oh, there it goes, the sentiment should overflow. What I do, how we spill. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. so I'll fill the bath with bubble. Then I'll put the towels all away. Should've never said that word love. Threw a toaster in the bathtub. I'm sick of all the games I have to play. I'm tired of being careful, gentle, trying to keep the water warm. Let me under your skin. Oh, there goes the sense you mentioned overflowed. Why do I always spill? I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
Swag to make the my bass pop, beef, got whack making niggas die, witnessing breathless imperfections. Can you picture my specific plan? To be the man in this wicked land, underhanded hits a plan. Scams are plotted over grams of rocks. Undercover agents die by the random shots. We all die in the end, so revenge be swole. I was all about my ends, fuck friends and foes. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Got me a dog and named him my bitch nigga eater. What could they do to me and let a brat? Shit, them niggas that shot me is still terrified I'll get their ass. How can I show you how I feel inside? We outlaws, motherfuckers can't kill my pride. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but that's after I'm gone. Cause they fear me in the physical form. Let them be known I'm troublesome.
Undi, Kenny, Orbidi, Galan, Veriasi, Oblain, Ranun, Munagui, Bodil, Bigod,
Legendary live eternally. You going through outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaw. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in peace cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace cause they fit. When my squad face them, take them to places, take the face to the brace them and break them. Murder motherfuckers. Legendary live eternally. Gutter ways, my mentality is get war. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels. Death before dishonor. Bet I bomb on them first. Niggas knew we came for murder. Pulling up in a hearse. West side was the war cry. Busting off freely, screaming fuck all y'all niggas in Swahili. Pistol packing fresh out of jail. I ain't going back. Release me to the care of my heartless strap. Say my name 3 times like Candyman. Bet I roll on your ass like an avalanche. So survivor, learn to get high and pull drive-bys. Murder my foes, can't control my nine. Hearing thoughts of my enemies pleading, please. Bust ass motherfuckers tried to flee. Picture me letting this chump survive. Ran up on his ass when I dumped him, die. Cause I'm troublesome.
Undi, Kenny, Orbidi, Galan, Veriasi, Oblain, Ranun, Munagui, Bodil, Bigod,
Legendary live eternally. Fuck you niggas in the bullshit you going through. Outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in peace cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace cause they fit. When my squad face them, take them to places, face to face to the brace them and break them. Murder motherfuckers. Legendary live eternally. Murder, my mind state shit ain't changed since my last rhyme. The crime rate ain't decline. Niggas busting shots like they lost their mind. Like 25 to life never crossed their mind. Tell me young nigga never learned a thing. 10 at 13 cause he yearned to bang. Sent a lot of flowers but how could I cry? Tried to warn a little nigga either stop or die. Mercy is for the weak, when I speak I scream. Afraid to sleep, I'm having crazy dreams. Vivid pictures of my enemies, family times. God forgive me cause it's wrong but I plan to die. Either take me in heaven and understand I was a G. Did the best I could, raise sanity. Or send me to hell cause I ain't begging for my life. Ain't nothing worse than this cursed ass hopeless life. I'm troublesome.
Flundi, Kenny, Orbidi, Galan, Veriasi, Oblain, Ranun, Munagui, Bodil, Bigod.
Legendary live eternally. Fuck you niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaws. Legendary live eternally. Bury me in peace cause they fit. Reincarnation niggas screaming peace. When my squad face them, take them to places, face to face to the brace them and break them. Murder motherfuckers.